In this video, I'll guide you on how to clean the C drive in Windows 11 or 10 system. I'll show you 10 different ways you can free up storage space from your C drive. Cleaning your C drive regularly helps maintain your computer's health, improves performance, and can prevent slowdowns or system crashes. It also helps your PC run faster and smoother. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, on your keyboard press Windows plus R together, and it will open the run box. In the run box, type Prefetch and press Enter. Now select all the files and press the delete button. After that, press Windows plus R again, type Temp and press Enter. Select all the files and delete them. Now again, press Windows plus R, type %temp% and press Enter. Once again, select all the files and delete them. Next, right-click on the recycle bin and select Empty Recycle Bin. This will permanently remove all the deleted files from your system. After that, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and remove any unwanted applications that you no longer use. This can free up a lot of storage space. Next, open File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder. Remove unnecessary or old files that you no longer need, because downloaded files usually stay there unless you delete them manually. This will also help free up space on your C drive. Next again, File Explorer, go to the C drive, then open the Windows folder and find the Software Distribution folder. Open it, select all the files inside and delete them. This folder stores old Windows Update files, and cleaning it can help free up storage space from your C drive. Next, open File Explorer, and in the File Explorer search bar type size:gigantic. This will show you all the large files on your computer. If you find any unnecessary big files, you can delete them to free up storage space. After that, open Disk Cleanup. Make sure the C drive is selected, then click OK. Now select all the file categories, then click OK again and choose Delete Files. This will remove temporary files, cache files, and other unnecessary data from your C drive. Next, open Settings. Go to System, then open Storage. If Storage Sense of off, then turn on Storage Sense. After enabling it, click on the small arrow next to Storage Sense. Under Cleanup Schedules, you can choose how often you want Storage Sense to run, daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also choose when Windows should automatically empty the recycle bin and when it should delete old files from the Downloads folder. Storage Sense is a very useful feature in Windows 11 because it helps automatically clean unnecessary files and keeps your storage optimized. So that's how you can clean the C drive in Windows 11 and free up storage space. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.